Alright, let's dive into something mind-bending: time travel. Is it possible? Can we truly build a time machine? And what about those pesky paradoxes like the grandfather paradox? Buckle up because we're about to explore the wild world of time travel theories. First up, let's tackle the basics. Time travel, as fascinating as it sounds, has been a staple of science fiction for decades. From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to Back to the Future, it's captured our imagination. But is there any science behind it? Physicists like Albert Einstein have given us a glimpse. His theory of relativity suggests that time isn't a constant, it can actually be stretched and squeezed. This means under certain conditions, time travel, at least to the future, is theoretically possible. Einstein's equations allow for the possibility of wormholes, those mysterious tunnels in space-time that could connect distant points. Picture it like a shortcut through space and time. But here's the catch: we haven't found a natural wormhole, and creating one would require energy levels we can't currently access. Now let's talk about the grandfather paradox. Imagine you travel back in time and accidentally prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. If they never meet, one of your parents isn't born, and by extension, neither are you. But then, who went back in time to prevent the meeting? This paradox creates a logical loop that's tough to untangle. Several theories try to address this. One is the many worlds interpretation, which suggests that each action creates a new, parallel universe. So, if you prevented your grandparents from meeting, you'd just be creating a new timeline where you don't exist, while your original timeline remains unaffected. Another theory is that of self-consistency, proposed by physicists like Igor Novikov. This theory suggests that any actions taken by a time traveler were always part of history, thus preventing paradoxes. So, if you went back in time to stop an event, your actions would be consistent with the history you already know. But can we actually build a time machine? Some concepts suggest it's possible, like Tipler cylinders and traversable wormholes. However, these ideas require exotic matter and immense energy far beyond our current technological capabilities. Stephen Hawking proposed the chronology protection conjecture, suggesting the laws of physics prevent time travel on a macroscopic scale. Essentially, nature has built-in safeguards to avoid paradoxes and causal loops. So while the idea of a time machine is tantalizing, we're not there yet. But research into quantum mechanics and relativity continues to push the boundaries of our understanding. Who knows what the future, or the past, might hold? In the end, time travel remains one of those tantalizing what-ifs. It fires our imagination and challenges our understanding of the universe. Whether or not we ever build a time machine, the journey of exploring these ideas is as thrilling as the destination. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this dive into the possibilities of time travel, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Until next time, stay curious.